I see quality and I didn't even touch them. I just can't get over how pretty this box is. Like, whatever they used is just on point. Like, nothing is cheap about this shoe. Like, it was made with really, really great materials. Such a freaking pretty shoe.
Hot girl, hot girl, hot girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra. I'm coming to y'all with another replica shoe unboxing video, y'all. Trying to get that stack down, okay? So these sneakers I'm gonna be reviewing are the Nike SB Dunk Low Travis Scotts. These are from a company called Hype Sneaker Diary, so shout out to them for sending me over these shoes. We got to get into them. Y'all know how these videos go. Disclaimer: if you're not into replicas, click off the video. If you are, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because you are gonna love it here, period. I'm getting back into the swing of recording my replica videos. So these came in this box via FedEx Express. It's about to begin into it. I'm gonna have all the information throughout this video on the screen. If I do have a coupon code, that will also be on the screen. What else? I will have all the details in the description box below as well. So after you pull them out of that FedEx box, they come in this another box that's wrapped with black plastic. Y'all, I just got me some new scissors and they so freaking bomb. Okay, boom. We're working with the cardboard box here. So the shoes do come inside of this cardboard box, bubble wrap. So they package them very, very well. This box is beautiful. Let me just say that. So you do get the original box that these shoes come in. So freaking pretty, y'all. Look at it. This box is beautiful. So I did get these in a size 7, which is my real size in youth and men's sizes. Size and reference. So the box does open up like this. Y'all, this is such a pretty freaking box. I just can't get over how pretty this box is. So when you open your box, you do receive some socks. I got Nike socks. These are cute. They have the red check. You get 2 different color laces. They do come in a Nike SB little bag, and then you do get your StockX sticker. I like companies that include these because they seem like more authentic when you get the StockX stuff in them. So some companies do it, some don't. I'm noticing that as I keep continuing to work with different replica companies. Then you get the StockX note, little card here, and then you also get the StockX little authentication little anything. And then you get your receipt. Y'all know I always breeze past these, so feel free to pause the video if you would like, just to get a look at each receipt. This is the first one, the second one, and then the third one. So those are the receipts. Again, if I'm not mistaken, if you scan those QR codes, they should take you to the Nike website. Now getting into the shoes, y'all. This box, I can't get over it. This tissue paper is so freaking pretty. It's like that bandana type of print. That is tissue paper when you open the box. And then it also comes with the white tissue paper inside. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, ma'am. Like, yes, freaking ma'am. These are beautiful. I ain't even took them out the box yet. But I'm gonna just show y'all what I see right now because I see quality and I didn't even touch them. Do y'all see? Let's take her out. First of all, she's heavy. Like, we love that. Like, she's not too heavy, like in a bad way, but she has some nice weight to her. So they clearly use some good materials. I can feel the quality. I can smell the quality. They smell so freaking good, y'all. Y'all know I love that new shoe smell. And these definitely have it. Look at these shoes, you guys. Look at them. They're so freaking pretty. I love the color of the Nike swoosh. That is so pretty. That's the tongue, the side of the shoe, the back of the shoe. This shoe looks and feels so good, y'all. It feels like it was made with really great materials. I'll be telling y'all, these replica companies don't come to play, period. Like, they just don't come to play. And the more that I continue to work with different companies, the more I'm amazed. Like, replica wear, babe, let me know. I wish y'all can actually feel the shoe. Like, it feels as good as it looks, y'all. Like, whatever they used is just on point. Like, nothing is cheap about this shoe. It is just, the quality is amazing. Y'all know my Sony ZV-1 is gonna pick up the quality, okay? Do y'all see? Do y'all see the freaking quality? Y'all, it looks so good. Top of the shoe is kind of like a suede type of material, as well as like the whole entire front of the shoe. It has this soft suede type of feel to it. Buy these shoes. Like, I 100% genuinely recommend them so far. Type sneaker. Y'all freaking did y'all thing. First of all, the tongue is super duper nice. The whole shoe is nice overall, but the tongue is super thick. Like, if y'all can tell, I love how thick the tongue is. And then it does come stuffed with some paper inside just to help keep it shaped. It's the quality for me, babe. Look at that tongue. Like, look how thick. It's like, this feels like a premium shoe, y'all. Like, something that's premium, it's just quality. It's just, it's chef's kiss. Like, it's just bomb. That's what this shoe feels like right now in my hand. But as y'all can see, the sole of the shoe is very pretty, continuing on with that bandana type of print that we got going on inside. And also says the Nike SB down there. These are so bomb. I'm in love. I'm in love with these. I love the color. Colorway of this shoe is beautiful. Like, all the different colors, they just go together so well. They have a nice weight. And if you just look close, like, you see what I mean with the textures, the different textures on the shoe. Like, they nailed every texture. Do y'all see this? They nailed every texture. And I just want to let y'all know, like, when I unbox these with y'all, I do the initial unboxing on purpose. Like, y'all can see my genuine first impression. Like, when I'm unboxing these shoes, this is my genuine first impression. That's why I like saving everything. These shoes have been sitting, y'all. Bomb. Everything, this box, everything. Like, the packaging is going with the quality, and the quality is going with the package. Like, they got the style X tags and all of that. They got everything. I am impressed. This is the other shoe. There's a little tag right here, but we got the same exact thing going on. Such a freaking pretty shoe. I know I'm holding it close, but I just want y'all to see the details up close and personal. We gonna put this camera to work, okay? This camera was expensive. So y'all, that's the shoes right there. I'm in love. I feel like I covered everything as far as all the details and everything goes. Like, I just at how well they nailed this shoe, period. All right, y'all, I don't know where I left off. Your girl was stuffing her face, and might I add, it was delicious. So these are so bomb. I love everything about them. The quality is amazing. And I just want to let y'all know, I don't know what y'all be thinking when it comes to like reviews in general, especially with my channel. Y'all know I always say this is a trustworthy channel. I don't benefit from lying to nobody. I really don't. And these shoes be sent to me to review, and that's it. Literally, they send them to you. To a lot of people who do YouTube, you want to call them YouTubers, they just send YouTubers shoes and things to review, and then that's it. They don't give you a script, they don't give you anything. They just literally send them to me and they say, hey, can you do a video for us? So I just want to let y'all know that, like, the things that I say are truly how I feel, period. Like, I'm trying to debate on if I want to do the whole outfit thing. I'm not really sure. If I can put one together real quick, I will. If not, I'll just do the on foot review for y'all so y'all can see the shoes on the feet. But again, I love these shoes so much. Thank you so much, Hype Sneaker, for sending me these shoes. Y'all did y'all thing. Y'all really did y'all thing when it came to these shoes. Y'all executed the quality, everything, and they are definitely worth every penny. These are, I believe, $169 on the website. Super affordable compared to the real price. Yeah, we about to just get into the on foot review because I've been doing a lot of this. Alright y'all, so this is the fit that I decided to come up with. I actually did decide to do a fit because I felt like my replica shoe videos wouldn't be, I just felt like it wouldn't be right, like to not continue the way that I recorded them. So yes, I am wearing this light pink like fuzzy crop top. I'm wearing this bag. Y'all probably have seen this bag if y'all seen those mocha ones. Then I have my Fashion Nova jeans on, y'all. And then I have, of course, the sneakers. I did use my shirt to pop out like that blush pink. Yeah, y'all, I think this is just a cute, simple outfit. I tried to incorporate this type of tannish color, but I'm not 100% sure if I would actually wear this fit. I mean, maybe. I'm so in love with these shoes and I can't wait to find other outfits to wear with these. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you drop a comment down below telling me how you felt about the shoes. And if you want to keep seeing more videos like this, make sure you like it. Period. And I will see y'all in my next video. Shout out to Hype Sneaker for sending me these. Y'all did y'all thing.
All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kiss me some hug. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys, baby.